sugar and bleach in a way you've never seen before. Let's start today's tip. Putting in a pan for 100 grams of sugar. Let's turn on low heat and start mixing. As soon as the sugar starts to melt, we'll also add 400 milliliters of water. Now we'll mix until the sugar completely dilutes. Once the sugar is in this consistency, I will also add 300 milliliters of bleach. This mixture containing bleach with active chlorine fully has a whitening effect. That will be the main item to bring cleaning to your toilet and all items in your bathroom. I will remove the pan from the heat, and as soon as the mixture cools, I will put it in another container. Now I will add another 200 milliliters of water and mix again. The item that will complement our mixture is the detergent. You can use the one of your preference, and the amount that we will use is 500 milliliters. Once you put all the detergent, we will mix well until the mixture gains the desired consistency. And before I forget, tell me which city you watched, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Mary Lou from Florida. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I'm sure after learning this tip, you'll thank me for cleaning your bathroom. This mixture yields a lot, and this amount we can use daily for at least a month. Once you are at this point, I will put the liquid in bottles. That will facilitate the application of the product. For this, I will use a funnel, avoiding waste. The total yield of this tip is approximately 1 liters, and the way to apply it is very simple. Tell me later what was the result you had when using this mixture in your home. For application, just by placing the liquid directly in the toilet and using a brush, we can remove all stains. This mixture serves for the floor and also for the bath area. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.